Hindi ako dyan.
Okay. School. Spelling.
Mama, 1 yun ah.
Okay. Okay. Next. House.
US.
Okay. Next. Girl. Babae.
Girl.
Then,
Number 4.
number 4, classroom. Notebook. Mother. Number 6, mama, mother.
In English.
Philippines. Number 7, Pilipinas. In Tagalog. Table. Lamesa. Yan, very good. Family. Pamilya. Sa Tagalog, family. Ano? Family, okay. Then, last number, shoes. Sapatos sa Tagalog. Ayan. Patingin. Diba? Perfect. Galing ah. Okay. Kaya memorize mo yan. I-exam bukas yan.
Opo.